Hello, I'm Mark Kaiser of Central Maryland Sunrooms, and in this video, we're going to properly show you how to clean and maintain your vinyl windows. So we'll start with our cleaning kit. This comes in your box with your order. We open it up, and the first thing you'll see is a clean microfiber cleaning cloth. So we pull that out. Basically, they give you a nice microfiber cloth because it will not attract dust and dirt, which could be harmful to your vinyl. Next thing we'll pull out is our cleaning instructions. They have a full pamphlet, front and back, of how to properly clean your vinyl windows with the spray foam that is provided in your kit. Next thing we'll pull out is your spray foam. This is the cleaning. This also helps to preserve your windows. So this is what you will use to properly spray on your windows, wipe them off to clean. We do not recommend using any household cleaners or any abrasive cleaners because you will damage your vinyl. So we will demonstrate how to spray. So we take our vinyl panel, and it is a spray can. So you will lightly mist typically 2 spots on your window, on your vinyl, and we wipe them appropriately. And as I said, you do not want to use an abrasive cloth or anything with a thick fiber because you could attract dirt and dust, which will actually scar your vinyl, possibly scratch it. And as I said, you do not want to use any household cleaners because that will possibly leave a film that you will not be able to remove. Now we're going to demonstrate how to remove the panels. So the panels are spring-loaded on the left side. So you're going to grab your panel, push it to the left, pop it out of that track, pull it out. Here's your springs that we were referencing. So you'll set this panel down. And typically in a 4-track window, it will be 4 panels, but for our display purposes, we're just using 2 today. Same thing, grab that panel, go to the left with your springs, stack your panels. And at this point, you can either clean your panels with your vinyl spray, or we can wipe the tracks. So we're gonna demonstrate wiping our tracks at this point. So we take a wet soapy rag, and we're going to wipe each individual track, top to bottom, making sure that you get all the way in the track to get all the dirt and dust out as possible. And then this side, your left side is deeper, so you're going to want to make sure your rag, you get plenty of depth and get in as far as you possibly can and wipe those tracks. At that point, you will notice the dirt and dust on your rag and see how dirty they become. So now at this point, you can clean your panels as we showed you previously, wiping them. Now to reinstall your panels, you're going to make sure your springs are on the left side again, your spreader bar is on the inside, and you're going to place it into your track. The first panel going to the very outside track, pop it in to your track. Now it's important to note when you're putting each panel in at this point, you're going to make sure that the top panel is above the bottom of your previous panel. So each panel we recommend putting it at about midway point, popping it in. What this allows is for your interlock to activate. What I mean by interlock, we have 2 rails, top and bottom of each panel, that will lock together to bring your windows up and down and to properly seal. So we push that in to your proper channel, and now your window's back together and your cleaning and maintenance.